and welcome to the Thinking Science. So this is my first ever video in this of my recordings. I've already put the video about the funniest football kick. So I hope you enjoyed that. That was related to funny things. So this is related to science. Okay, this is the main theme of this channel. I'm targeting about this. I'm targeting uh, the people who are not getting the resources to learn. So I'm targeting them to make them to learn, to get advanced in their life about their favorite subjects or their favorite topics. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the digital multimeter. So what is digital multimeter? So I'm going to unbox this today. I've got it from Amazon.com, so you can get it off as well. Not only this type of multimeter, I selected this separately from I bought it from India. So for Indians, there's a separate link for them in the description down below. And now I'm in India, so presently I can't move out because there's a lot of problem going around the world about the novel coronavirus. So stay safe, stay home, be better. So watch this video, enjoy this video at home. Don't go out, it's for your sake. Help doctors, right? So let's get started. So here's our multimeter, and here are the cables for that. So we're gonna unbox this today. So let's seal it totally. So I forgot to say that you have some specification and operation instructions. So you gotta watch yourself, alright? This multimeter can read DCV, that means direct current voltage, DC voltage, ACV, alternating current voltage, AC voltage, DCA, direct current ampere, that means direct current in amperes. Resistor, ohms. You can also measure amps that means you can also measure current, right? You can also you can also uh, measure the values of the resistors in ohms, okay, as a unit. And you can also test the diodes, and you can find out their values. You have a buzzer as well, and you get the sound from it. You can find out transistor and range of NPN or PNP junctions, and you can also see the temperature is also set here, and we can get square wave output, and also battery test of commonly 1.5 volts or 9 volts. We get like a AA battery cell 1.4 volts or AAA battery cell 1.5 volts. But a 9 volt battery is very different. It looks like this. It looks like this, right? So let's get started. So these are the specifications. Once you overcome them, once you just take a note of them and just read them, right? So operation instructions, it takes time, so make sure you read them, you understand them, all right? So there's nothing out there. So let's unbox this, right? Actually, this. We have cut the edges, so let's get this waste out of here. So get out of the waste. Let's get this like this. We've cut the edges up, down, and then the right side. So we're gonna open this up. It's pretty interesting. So to buy this, I've given some links down below, and you can get them from Amazon. I got this. So there's a quick guide that how to use it, and a warranty card, a warranty paper, and also about the electrical symbols, safety information, and it's a document. Make sure you read this before using that, because it should be easier to you to use this. All right. So let's keep this aside. These are the cables which we connected to this, right? So this is the multimeter we got, right? See, turn on the knob. So this is for the voltage. This is also for the voltage. This is for the measuring. This is for measuring current. This is for diodes. This is for square wave output. This is for resistance. This is for transistor. So this is that. So let's put it at voltage of 750 volts. See, started. It's already. So let's get 1000 volts. So let's measure some a battery. So and I have a 9 volt battery here out there. So let's measure its voltage. I've set it here. So let's open this. Take out the binding cable. Then these. The red stands for the positive and the black stands for negative. You already know. So positive one or the red one should be at the. If you're measuring voltage, current, or resistor, you're going to keep this at VOMA. That means voltage, ohm, and milliamps. I'm going to set it there. Measure that now. And this black one should be at the common, because it's common for even it's common for both of these. This is a 10 amps terminal. So we got this. So this the red one for the positive, which is this positive. The big one is negative. So we're gonna put this at the negative. Okay. So let's just put all these things aside. Right. Let's put this on the side. So it should be easy for us. Alright, let's measure. Alright. See, we got the readings 9.07, 9.6. It's almost near for the 9 volts. See, it's 0.0. See, 0.00, and I've connected the first one to negative, then to the positive. It's 9.07. It's working. And of course it should work, because it creates a lot of, creates big problem. So we have measured to that. Now let's measure, let's keep this aside. Let's measure voltage for this. Let's measure. See, negative, that means the terminals I've put are wrong. Minus 0.0. Minus 1.4846, minus 1.4847. So this is the positive, this is the negative. Let's put it 1.49. 1.49 volts, alright? We have measured it. Now there's another battery like that. I got it. Let's measure it for that. See again. That's what happens when you put the negative at the positive and positive at the negative. 1.37 volts. Right, now let's measure it together by keeping in a battery container, which I've made it from a 3D paper. Alright, now let's measure. Don't think this because it's the common one. Say 2.87. What happens if you put wrong? You give 0. This one is 0.18. This one is 1.49. So this is the actual one. 2.87. Alright, now let's measure current. Let's change this. It's only for current. Now let's measure current. We don't get because we don't have enough current in this. Of course there are current, but we can't. Because the range is 10 amps and you get very low current for this. Right. For example, if you set over 200 and just keep this up here, you get it. This 0.9.0 or 200 volts. For 1000 high voltage, it shows 0.09. If you measure resistance for this at 20k ohm, it doesn't show you because it's the battery. You can't. So that's it, guys. It's very great multimeter. It's a durable one. But one thing is that it's very small, but also it's durable. So it's the best ever I've seen. So it's great. You can buy this. Doesn't cost more. So let me switch it off. Doesn't cost more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and share. Like this video. Share this video, and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching.